So a question that you may be thinking about is BARBRI going to cater to my learning style? And I want to be very clear on this point. The day of the talking head one format video lecture, those days are over. That is not what the bar review course looks like now. We have tons of different styles incorporated throughout. Animations, text on screen, graphics, things to read, instruction that really goes across all learning styles. So if you're wondering, is this course going to work for me? The answer is absolutely.
So something that we've been very intentional about at BARBRI is creating lots of different kinds of content and lots of different ways to teach the law.
So for example, the way bar prep used to be taught was through in-person live lectures. A professor at a podium lecturing for 4+ hours day after day after day. And we know that is not the way that students learn best. BARBRI Bar Review is designed intentionally for online learning, intentionally to help you improve your understanding, to reduce the overwhelm and feelings of frustration, and of course, to boost your confidence.
Now you're receiving lectures in modules, and those modules are usually between 20 and 30 minutes. So our lectures, they're interactive. And when I say interactive, I don't mean the legal mad libs of, you're filling in the blanks and trying to listen to everything the professor says just so you can write it down instead of listening so that you can absorb it and retain it, right? Instead, we have lectures where the professors are presenting hypos throughout. They're working through the problems with you, and they're interactive in that you'll get the questions pop up on screen and you can work through them and then answer them and then resume the lecture.
And it's this diversity of instruction that really does set BARBRI apart. How can you cater to different learning styles if you're not using different types of learning tools in the process? So what we've done here is really intentionally create different types of instruction, whether it be through short animated videos or through short talking head lectures with the best of the best faculty out there. We're really trying to mix it up so that you have choices as you make your way through your bar prep experience in terms of what's most effective for you at any given point.